Hi guys, welcome to the latest in the PCC soundtrack series. So once in a while we get an opportunity to start the bikes up in the workshop and let you sound what some of the aftermarket parts that we put onto them sound like. This is the Midnight Racer. It's a 2015 R90 Roadster build. It's one that we've taken to a few shows. There is going to be a build diary about this one as well. Stu's going to talk to you about everything that's going to be on this bike in a separate diary that we're going to be releasing at the same time. This video is here purely so you can hear what the exhaust note is going to sound like. We have got a unit garage, stainless steel set of headers on here, and we've got the Arrow Pro Race end can. There's no flap delete or anything else like that. That's all been deleted at the same time, so it's just a straight through system. We've added a rapid bike fueling unit to it in order to get the best out of it. You don't need to do that, but when you do a system, it is going to give you big benefits to do so. This one is Cerakoted black. We like to Cerakote the systems because it's heat proof. It's a ceramic coat, paint finish, and it's heat proof, which means that it can deal with the higher temperatures. I'm going to shut up and let the bike do the talking. There we go.